Alright everyone, in this one I'm going to show you how to work on transitions from slide to slide so that you will not need to click to move from next one to next one to next one. So what you're going to go to is transitions. So it's right next to the animations one, transitions. And you can pick out different ones that you would like to do. You can apply the same one to all of them or individual ones. It's totally up to you. But the important stuff here is the advanced slide. You're going to notice that probably on mouse click will be clicked on there, which means that you will need to manually click it every single time. What I always do is to click after then some time. And you really want to make sure that it goes to how long your animation is. So for this one, our animation is about, let's see how long it is about 18 seconds long. So I want to set up that timer to 18 seconds so that there's no blank space on the map. And I'll have to do that through each and every slide. So I will go to transitions, and I'll go, and I'm in my transitions on my next slide. I'm going to go after a certain amount of time, and I'm going to see how long my slide is. So this one now is 24 seconds. So I could type that 24 seconds in, or I could just scroll up to that 24 seconds, and then it's all set to go. And then I can obviously change what I want it to be when it enters in. Hopefully that helps you out.